Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. We have 131 subscribers for our channel. I thank them. And like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, and subscribe the channel. Today, while driving, it's important that you don't drink water while driving because it is going to be risky for all the people who are in the car and as well as us. While drinking the water while driving, your focus is not here, and by chance, if the bottle rolls down and goes down the pedals, you can't brake the pedal or stop the car, which is going to be very dangerous and risky for all of us. Happy driving, safe driving. Make sure that you don't drink water while driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.